There we go. That is a beauty. Look at the fins on him. That is so... Mosquitoes are terrible. Let me carefully, very carefully unhook this guy.
That cat, dude!
Oh my god! That's a giant! That's a giant!
Oh my god!
That's a giant, dude!
Yeah, we made it. You just talking. If they hate it, you know they're watching. Enjoy them.
Look at that, dude. That is what I've been out here searching for all day.
One more look at this one. I'm gonna get him back.
If they hate it, you know they're watching. Enjoy the show. Enjoy the show.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Fishing More Outdoors. You want both of these rods?
Yes, please.
Today, actually, I tried making a video here probably a month ago.
Yep.
Didn't go too good. It was opener day of trout season, and yeah, it didn't go good. So, back for redemption. Stay tuned.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
No way. Where are the worms? Worms?
No, my jig.
I know, where are the worms?
Huh?
In your backpack?
Oh, yeah.
Just take two. Put them in my pocket.
That'll be down to the pool.
Okay.
Put them in this one. Get me a little screen thing.
Think they'll come out?
No, because he'll be pinched in there.
Good idea.
All right, dude.
Yeah.
Good luck.
You too. If they're whacking, call me.
Yep.
God, I'm still getting poison ivy. Probably gonna fall here too. Oh, this is gonna feel good. Yes, buddy. Yes, buddy. I need a worm. All I'm going to do is hook it. Jesus, if I can, I'm going to hook it right in the tail. Let's switch sides maybe. There we go, I got it. It can kind of be a pain in the arse, as you can see. God, come on. I haven't done this in a while. Alright, hopefully that works for now. And I have a big backpack, so I'm probably going to leave that right here for now. Got the big camera for some pictures later. I'm going to be very quiet. Cast around in here a little bit. God, this water feels nice. I'll tell you that for free. I got one. I got one. First cast. First cast, guys. Oh my God, no way. That's so cool. Okay, I gotta wet my hands. They say you're supposed to wet your hands when you do this. It looks like a little brown trout. Come here, buddy. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna bring him over here so I don't hurt him at all. We're fishing a stream they don't get that big, so you really want to be as careful as possible with them. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Especially these small ones so they can grow up to be a lot bigger. Look at him. Look at that trout. That thing is so beautiful. Wow, unreal. He is hooked perfect. I'm gonna put him in the water and try to get him unhooked here. There we go. I'm gonna give you guys one more look at this little guy. That thing is so beautiful. Look at the orange on him. Not very big, but that was first cast here. Unreal. I'm gonna get him back. There he goes. That was so cool, guys. That's awesome. Unreal. First cast. First freaking cast. Well, let's try that same little pool. It's just a tiny little deep spot right here. And that's where he smoked it. Alright, second cast. See if I can't get another one. Just tossing it in this tiny little pool and just watching it. Oh man, that thing looks deep. This thing might be holding... Oh! I'm pretty sure that was a fish. This thing might be holding some good fish here. I'm gonna give it a few casts and then I'm gonna go right over there. I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys, but I've really been wanting a fly rod lately. I really want to go catch some carp with one, and I'd love to come do this with one. So if you guys would like to see me fly fishing, I got another one. What is this? This ain't a carp. That looks like a little shiner. That's a little shiner. Wow. Back to what I was saying, if you guys would like to see me do a little fly fishing, drop a comment. Say, let's see some fly fishing. And I will go buy a fly fishing rod. Alright, time to put another worm on the hook. Huh. Not getting anything else in here. Make one final cast and then I'm going to move up a little bit and then I'm going to go downstream. Or I'm going to go upstream after this. Alright, I'm going to go downstream just a little bit. See if I can't see any to come back to. I can't believe I caught one first cast. Me and Brett, like I said in this little intro, me and Brett came here on opener and I literally didn't even get a bite. And I think Brett caught a sucker or two suckers or something. This used to be my favorite spot because you guys can't see it, but right next to shore, it's really deep. And they can kind of hide in the shade there. So I'm going to stand about right here so I don't scare anything away. And try to get it perfectly in there without hitting the other side of the river. And that didn't happen there. It was a crappy cast. There we go. Huh. Nada. Have to make a few casts up here once again. I think it's time to head upriver. That looks pretty juicy over there. I think I'll go give that a few casts before I grab my backpack and stuff. Man, it is freaking awesome out here though. If you're into this kind of stuff. Oh no way! That was a fish for sure. Oh yeah, that was for sure a fish. He really tugged me. I'm gonna get right back in there. So I'll probably get another chance at him. I got him. Oh, no way, dude. Are you freaking serious? Got him. What is it? Are you serious? Is that a trout? Oh, dude, that's a freaking creek chub? That's a chub. Funny, I'm catching minnows here. Look at that little guy. This would be awesome catfish bait in Milwaukee. See if I can catch another one. That's funny, catching creek creek, 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 chubs. Got him. This is a trout. This is a trout. Is that a big creek chub? No, that's a trout. It's a little trout. Let me, oh! Well, you guys seen it. I had a trout. That was just a little wee guy. Little wee guy. Let me get some more worms. We'll be right back. Alright, I got another worm. Let's see if I can't catch another one over here. That one was pretty tiny. Hopefully I can get one a lot bigger than that. Is that a fish? Yep. Yep, it is. Another creek chub. That's funny. He really swallowed that thing. Holy buckets. I'm really saying holy buckets a lot today. Sorry about that. Oh, that was a fish. That was a fish. That was totally a frickin' fish. Stole my frickin' worm. Stole my freaking worm, dude. I want to catch another one so I can get a sweet picture of it. Alright. Quick pause. I'm going to take some pictures quick. I'll be right back to you guys. Alright. Mission accomplished. I got some sick pics. You guys probably don't want to, but if you want to see them, check it out right here. And right here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Kind of been into taking pictures lately. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. What is it? It's a little trout. Tiny little trout. Let me wet my hands quick. Wet my hands. Look at that beautiful little thing. That is crazy. Crazy. Let me set my rod down. God dang it. I want to get an underwater release for you guys, but I keep dropping them. Oh well, that's number 3. Number 3. Took on another worm. That thing really popped me though. That was cool. He really dug me too. There we go. Fish on. It's a little bit better one. A little better than the last two. And he's going crazy right now. Chill out, buddy. Chill out, buddy. That's a better one. Let me wet my hands. Oh, come here, bud. Here, let's bring you over here. Let's bring you over here. Come on. Stay in the water. Put my rod down. There we go. That is a beauty. Look at the fins on him. That is so... Mosquitoes are terrible. Let me carefully, very carefully unhook this guy. There we go. Now I'm going to get a sick underwater release for you guys.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world.